Assalamu alaikum guys. Just you can check the blackboard. I have uploaded the sheet one and I will look at the sheet and we'll start with the solution. Okay. You can download the sheet also. Meanwhile, yeah, you can find the. So looks like five students here. So shall we start? Let me check how many students are there. Section. You can check the blackboard, brother. Lectures. You can check the lectures in the blackboard. You can find the sheet. I just uploaded. Oh, 21 students. Still only 4 students are joined the session. So just wait for more 5 minutes and then we will start with the sheet. Okay. I think Dr. Tafassar will start with the vector algebra, right?
Yes, yes. Vector algebra is started.
Start, yes, inshallah.
To page 10, chapter 1.
Okay, okay. So what we are going to do is we will just solve the same thing, not same thing, just we will solve some examples and problems and I will give you an assignment simultaneously, okay? Today at the end of the session, I will give you some assignment if we complete the topic, okay? When we complete the topic, I will give you the assignments. So you have a more 3 or 4 days deadline. I will just announce that deadline, and you have to submit the assignment before the deadline. Uh, I will just have the assignment marked as a 5 and the quiz marked as a 5. Okay. So let the students come, then we will start, inshallah. Meanwhile, just download the sheet, question sheets in the Blackboard, and you can uh, just look into it, and so we will solve it. Okay. And meanwhile, brother, what I'm going to do is I will not, I'm not giving you any solution sheets. Okay, I will solve on the whiteboard here. Okay, inshallah.
Doctor,
Can you please wait one minute? I'll
doctor.
check that. Yes, brother. Just I may mute this one. Okay.
Today,
Just yes.
today, doctor, gives the assignment or not?
Today, just let us see. We will get familiar with the subject. Then at the end of this sheet, okay, end of the sheet, I will give you the assignment. Okay, if we finish the sheet today, it is impossible to finish the sheet today. Okay, because today is the first class and I don't have the mouse pen pointer, so it will be slow. We will be going not the too fast. Okay.
Okay, but send message in إعلانات.
Yeah, I will definitely when I will send the message. Okay, and I will send my email address and the course message. You have to send the course message in the report in the course message, okay? And deadline also. with the
Doctor, sorry, but assignment send an email, in your email or our course
course,
message.
course. No, no, not course method. You should check the lectures field. Okay, where you find the sheet now.
Yes.
Okay, the same way you can download the assignment sheets also. Okay, but but after solution you have to send me in the course message, not through the email. Okay, through the course message. I just
Assignment send course message.
yeah, course message. Yes. One more student joined. Just everyone is seeing the sheet there. Hello. Can you hear me, guys? Yes, Nawab. Can you hear me? Yeah, this time it's very peak. Network is very peak because everyone is in the online session. In my building also, it's like just one of my friend called me. He told that he is not getting the internet. Even we are using fiber here. Uh, Guys, just hold on. I have just shared the sheet here. Okay, I just shared the file here. You can meanwhile have a look into this. Wait forever. Just yes, looks like no other student will join now. So, brother, you can tell me in English. Abhi, I cannot understand. Okay. So you are talking by yourself. Don't talk ages, huh? Because it will confuse me. Okay. So everyone downloaded the sheet. Nawaf, you can any one student if you can hear me and you can come on the mic, please. Rakan Nasser. Okay. So before we start the sheet, let us have a clear idea about uh, see, vector algebra. Algebra. You have two types of algebra: linear algebra and vector algebra. Okay. Linear algebra. See, straight way. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Okay. In vector algebra, you have to consider the direction of the vector. Okay. It consists of scalar and vector quantity. So before we proceed, so directly we will just have a solution. Okay. Given vector a equals to 2ax plus 3az and b equals to 5ax plus 2ay minus 6az, determine a plus b in the mods. Okay. Mod is nothing but the what magnitude. Find the magnitude. Yes, I'm recording. Yes, now I'm recording. It's recording. The session is being recording. Okay. Find mod A plus B. Okay. So to find mod A plus B, find mod A plus B. So mod A plus B is you have a vector A given here. What is vector A given? A equals to 2A comma 0 comma 3 and B is because today I don't have this mouse pointer. Okay, so it will be just running very slow. And if when we get by the next week, inshallah, it will be fast. Okay, 5 comma 2 and minus 6. So today it is sorry. Now we have to find determinant of a plus b, that is magnitude of a plus b. So to find magnitude of a plus b, first we have a vector a and vector b, 2 comma 0 comma 3 and 5 comma 2 comma minus 6. So let us do the addition. 2 comma 0 comma 3 plus, brothers, you can copy meanwhile. Okay, 2 comma minus 6. So just add this point to point. Okay, 2 plus 5 is 7 comma 0 plus 2 is 2 and 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So this is what a plus b. Okay, now we will find mod of a plus b. Mod of a plus b is nothing but magnitude. So when you find the magnitude, you will write mod a plus b. So here you are not find, in this case just remove this mod because we are just finding a plus b. Okay, here we will find mod, that means magnitude. So individual term and the square, 2 square and 3 square. So how much you will get here? 7 square is 49. Yeah, 4 plus 9. So how much you will get here? 58 under root of 63. And meanwhile, just you can do the square and tell me the answer. 63 under root of 63 is under root of 63 is, I think it is 63. No, 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 brothers. It is 62, right? 58 plus 4, it is 62. Rakan, Saif, Abdullah Ahmad, Abdul Majid, Muhammad, Nasir. Where are you? Just log in and left. Are you available there? Yes, brother. Just involve. I mean, you have to involve here. Don't put present. Just tell me what is under root of 62. Just tell me the answer. I want you to involve. Otherwise, I would have uploaded directly solutions. It is easy for me. Come on, brother. Come on. You don't have a calculator. Rakan, you have iPhone with you? In iPhone, you have a calculator or not? 7.87. So this is magnitude of A plus B. So just copy it. You will copy or you will take the you will take the photo. Just take the photo. Whatever you want, you can do it. I know, Rakan Nasir. You will take photo only. Done, guys. So this is A. Okay. Okay. Just tell me okay at least. Shall I erase this? Okay. So let us go to B. What is B? The component of A along AY. Component of A along AY. So what is A here? Vector A is 2AX plus 0 AY. 8 AY term is not available, so it is 0. And 3 AZ. Okay. So what we have to find component of A along AY. That means by the if you go word by word, you will get confused. Okay. Component of actually it should have be AY along A, but it is in A you have to find AY term. So what is A in AY term? Sorry, what is AY term in A? Yes, the component of A along AY. That means in A you have to find AY term. That means in AY direction, what is the value here? Yes, guys. AY is, so we can write component of A. So that is component of A along AY is, what is the term? Yes, guys. What is AY here? You can see here. What is AY? You can see AY here. What is AY? What is AY here? AY term is 0. That means when you find component one vector, okay, component of vector along the direction, you have to check the term ax or ay or az. Here it is asking for ay. So when it is ay, you will check the ay magnitude, what is or zero here. That's it. Simple. Got it? Is that clear? Shall you need the explanation again? Only one clear. Okay, one clear is clear. So just take the photo, okay? So let us go to C. So what is in the C? The unit vector parallel to 3a plus b. Okay. So 3a plus b, unit vector parallel to 3a plus b. In this case, what we do is first we will find 3a plus b. So to find 3a plus b, what you have 3 into a. What is a term you have with you? 2 comma 0 comma 3. Okay. So this is 3a plus what is b? 5 comma 2 comma minus 6. Okay, so 3 comma 2 comma 3, sorry, 2 comma 0 comma 3 is a term, 5 comma 2 comma is what matrix? No, no, it is, brother. What is a term given? A is given as, I'm just using the, just let me add ax plus 3az. No need for using matrix anywhere. Just solve in simple way. B is 5ax plus 2ay minus 6az. This is our given vectors, okay? So this is the given vector A and B. So 2 comma 0 comma 3 and B is 5 comma 2 comma minus 6. So this is our A plus B, okay? So just find 3A plus B. So to find 3A plus B, 3A plus B is equals to, so first multiply 3 with the 2, it is 6. It's 6 comma 0 comma 9 plus 5 comma 2 comma minus, just add this term, it will be 6 plus 5 is 11 comma and 0 plus 2 is 2 comma 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is 3a plus b. So we find 3a plus b. Now the main point comes, the unit vector parallel to 3a plus b. When you find unit vector, okay, unit vector is nothing but what? Brother, I think same issue. Internet just it was disconnected. Now it is proper, I think, right? You can hear me properly, all of you? Yes, okay. So we find 3a plus b. Now what we have to find, unit vector to 3a plus b. Okay. So unit vector parallel to 3a plus b is, this is 3a plus b. We already find that. Now this is the unit vector formula. Okay. Ax is equals to ax by mod ax. So unit vector parallel to this is nothing but unit vector parallel to a11. So we'll write as a unit vector unit parallel to, so let us write a11 is equals to, so what is that unit vector here? Ax by mod ax. So let us write it as a, I will use pencil here. So let us write. So what is 11 comma 2 comma 3? Okay, 11 comma 2 comma 3 by mod 11 square plus 3 square. So you can do the calculation. It is 11 comma 2 comma 3 by under root of 121 plus 4. So how much it is? 11 comma 2 comma 3 by under root of 134. Just find this under root of 134 and tell me what's the answer. Under root of 134 is, guys, please involve, please involve. It's not like one way traffic, it is two way traffic. Yes, very good. Ask. It's taking more time. 11 comma 2 comma Okay, 11.57. Just divide 11 by 11.57 by this term. Okay, divide each term by this term. So 11 by 11.57 will be around 0. How much? 0.95. Good. Arthur, you are involving. 0.95 AX. So plus 2 by 11.7 will be around 0.17 AY, and 3 by 0.97 will be 0. How much? 25 AZ. So this is your unit vector parallel to 3a plus b. Okay. So when you have to find the unit vector parallel, you find a unit vector parallel to 3a plus b. So when it is 3a plus b, for then you have to take the product plus sum of the two terms and get the answer. And when it is parallel to the a 3a plus b, when it is parallel, unit vector is parallel. Okay, just take the component of 3a plus b and take the magnitude of it. It is a unit vector class. Simple, right? Hope you understood. Okay, it is 0 point, right? 0.95. Yeah, 0.95 ax. Well, this way we'll get the interest also if you involve with me. Clear? You took the picture? Yes. Okay. So let us go to the second question. Find, sorry, let me, okay, given point P equals to 1, comma, hope you open the sheet, okay? Simultaneously see the sheet with me. Given the point 3 comma p equals to 1 comma minus 3 comma 6, q equals to 2 4 comma 6, and r equals 0 comma 3 comma 8. Find the position vector of p and r. Okay, first you have to find the position vector of p and r. So to find the position vector, so what are the points given here? You have with you two, question number 2. So p is given as how much? P equals to 1 comma minus 3 comma 6. This is P. And Q is 2 comma 4. Yes. Sorry, it, connection issue. Can you hear me, guys? Okay. So now we have. Sorry, so there was a connection issue. Okay. Uh, Now we have a vector t equals to 1 comma minus 3 comma 6, and q equals to 2 comma 4 comma 6, and r equals to 0 comma 3 comma 8. Okay, these are the given vectors p, q, and r. The first thing is find the position vector. A is find vector position vector of p and r. So position vector of p and r. So what is position vector? First of all, these are the vector points given. Okay, p and q and r vector points are given. Okay, so to find the position vector, it is simple thing. So just write position vector of p is rp. This is the position vector position vector of p, same r, position vector of r. So position vector of p, rp is given as nothing but these are the points. Okay, these are the points. Just write ax minus 3ay plus 6az. So this is the position vector of p, and position vector of r is 0ax. No need. If you want to write 0x, okay. If you don't want to write ax plus, no problem. 3ay plus 8az. So these are the position vector of p and r. This is a. So b is the distance vector of r, q, r. So distance vector, just take the picture for this. Done. All of you done? Okay. So so b is the distance vector of, okay. So you can write in the suffix r, q, r. Find the distance vector. So to find the distance vector, first you have to find r, q, r is equal to, what is q? Point q is, vector q is given as, vector q is given as 2 comma 4 comma 6, and r is given as 0 comma 3 comma 8. Okay, Q and R is given. So find the vector distance. Okay, so to find the distance vector, first what you need to do is, yeah, R R minus R, brother, it is R Q. Okay, this is R Q R. Okay, from Q and R. Okay, this is the distance. So it is RAB means RB minus RA. You will do. Okay, RB minus RA suppose. So RR minus RQ. What is RR here? So RR is equals to. So what is R? 0, comma 3, comma 8 minus point Q is 2, comma 4, comma 6. Or else you can write it as R R 3AY minus 8AZ minus 2AX plus 4AY plus 6AZ. This is the same thing. Okay, so just somebody wrote the answer here. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2, comma 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and 8 minus 6 is plus 2. Okay, now minus 2 minus 1 2, yes, good. So this is RQR. So now what we have to find, we find the distance vector of RQR. So you can write RQR is equal to minus 2AX minus 2, sorry, it is 1, 1AY plus 2AZ. So this is the distance vector of Q and R. If you want, you can take the photo. Done? Okay. See what I say. The distance between Q and R. The distance between Q and R. Previously, you find the distance vector between Q and R. Now you have to find. You are not finding the vector yet. Distance between Q and R. Just the number. Okay. The distance between you. Here in the previous thing, you are finding the vector quantity. Here it is asking distance between. So that means it is by the word you can easily identify that you have to find a scalar value here. So in the previous example, we find R Q R. So we got it as minus 2, 1, minus 1, and 2. Okay. So this is RQR. RQR. Okay. Now we have to find the distance between Q and R. So, okay, we find the distance. This is the distance. Okay. Now the word between is nothing but scalar value. So what scalar, how to convert? So take the of this. So we can write it as a t, suppose. So under root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So it is how much? Because minus 2 square is again 2 square and minus 1 square is again 1 square. So it is under root of 9, which is equals to 3. Got it? See, understand the difference between the question B and C. In B, you are finding the distance vector. So that means the answer you will get in terms of vector. Okay. In part C, you have to find the distance between the two vector. Distance between two vector. By the word, it is clear that it is a scalar value. When it is scalar value, just take the mod. Plus. Okay. Yeah, first you have to find B. First you have to find G, then after C. If suppose directly distance between if B is not given, then points question C is given. Again you have to find B if it is not given also in the question, because without this Q and R you cannot proceed. This is nothing but distance between distance vector of Q and R. Okay, when it is distance vector of Q and R, you have to find the distance, then you have to find the distance between the two vector. Okay. Okay, this one is quite tricky. Okay, let so what you have to find in point in D is the vector parallel to Q and R with the magnitude of 10. So previously we find unit vector parallel to 3a plus b. Okay, first in the last first question, last point, you have find the unit vector parallel to 3a plus b. But in the questions 2 point D in sub question D, a vector parallel to QR with a magnitude of 10. So you have to find the vector parallel to QR with the magnitude of 10. So when it is parallel, it is understood that when it comes parallel, it is understood that you have to find the unit vector. Okay, so unit vector. So let us find the unit vector. What you have to find here? R, again RQR. Okay, let the required vector be a. Suppose, let me write this first. Let the required vector be a. Suppose. Okay, then a equals to a into the magnitude. Okay, what is the magnitude here? 10 is given. Okay, suppose 10 into a x. What is ax? What is ax here? Ax is nothing but rqr. Okay, so let us find like this. So a is given as 10. The magnitude of a is parallel to q or must be same unit vector. Okay, so let us write it as a q a into a, because we are representing this vector with the a. So a r q r by mod r q r. Okay, so then RQR is minus 2, because again RQR, because we have already find it RQR, uh, distance vector of Q and R. So what it is? Minus 2 minus 1 comma 2 by under root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So it is again minus 2 minus 1 2 by 3. Okay, Just find individual. Okay, minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, you can do it. Okay, so here I told you a is nothing but 10 into a. Sorry, here we write it, sorry, a. So 10 into a, a. So what is a? 10 into minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 2 by 3. So 10 by 3 will be around 3.33 into minus 2 minus 1 comma 2, and then minus 6.66 comma 3.3 comma 6.66. Please bear with me. Please bear with me, okay? Because I'm writing with the mouse, okay? If I get that pen, inshallah, from the next class, we can solve things properly, okay? So I will write 6.66 a. Here you have to find unit vector parallel. So that means when you take the unit vector, then the answer will be also in the terms of vector minus 3.33 ay plus 6.66 a z. This is the unit vector parallel to with the magnitude 10 in 10. Okay. Understood, guys? Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So I think we will stop here. Next session we'll solve the other question, and I will get that mouse pen. So it will be easy to write here. Okay, brothers, make sure I will not give you any solution sheet. I'm solving on the board. You have to write or take the picture. It is two. Okay. Today, bear with me. Inshallah, next class I will, because university people was giving the pen pointer. It is finished with them. Book. Can we buy the book? And what you mean book? Book? You mean book? Arkan, you mean book? Don't buy any solution from anywhere, okay? Because this time I have changed some questions. No need to buy the old one.
Yeah, doctor.
Yeah, Prakan.
If I was absent in any class and I want the answer, how can I get the answer?
Okay, you can contact me anyway. I can you can I'm recording the sessions, okay?
And will put it in the blackboard?
No, this session you can open anytime in meanwhile, okay?
Okay, okay, done. That's
Okay.
shukran, doctor.
Okay. Welcome, welcome. Anyone, any doubts? Rakan, Saif, Abdullah, Muhammad, Abdul Mahsin, Muhammad, Nasir, Nawaf. Any doubts? Thanks. Okay. We'll take a leave, inshallah. Okay. Next class, We'll solve the rest of the sheet, inshallah. Okay, you may leave. Yes, Nawaf, you have any doubt? I'm here. Yes, finish, finish.
إلا دكتور finish محاضرة finish lecture. Can I
Yeah,
reply?
yes, yes. Yes, if you have a doubt, I am here, okay? You can clarify.
Okay, no question. Okay,
Okay, welcome. So,
thank you.
Yes, Abdullah Ahmed and Muhammad. You have any doubt? Seems like they left. Okay.